Hi, hey gamers. We're at Carter Caves Campground, coming down to the access to Smoky Valley boat ramp. Haven't been down here before, so we're coming down here together. It's a one-lane road coming down here. They do rent kayaks and canoes up at the Welcome Center, and they bring them here to launch. The lake is an idle-only lake. It's just available here. You can only put small watercraft on here. So there is somebody in the campground that has a small john boat that's they've been bringing down here and bringing fish back to fillet and fry up. So they're catching fish down here. It's a real small lake. It does have some bank access, very limited bank access, down below the public swimming pool. That's past the campground area. This is sketchy down here, I will say that, but they're bringing those kayaks down here, so hopefully I can turn the truck around down here. But it is a pretty park. We've been hiking, caving, a lot of things to do like that, a lot of trails, a lot of arches, natural bridges, rock formations, that sort of thing. So it is a cool place to come to. All right, here we go. This looks like a parking area here, and the ramp down here. So let's go down here and look. It says no parking beyond this point. Oh, Jesus. Okay, yeah, there's a turnaround spot down here. So yeah, there's a ramp and kayaks over there. So looks like the game warden's here, or the park enforcer. So let's hop out here and take a look. Oh. So it looks like a decent little ramp, a nice turnaround spot here. They got some kayaks. Huh? Yeah. No. It's not our stuff.
Trying to figure out whose that is.
Oh. All right, back at it, talking with the state park officer, trying to figure out whose kayaks these are. But yeah, decent little ramp to put some kayaks in or drag some small craft. But it's either 25 acres or 45 acres. I'm receiving mixed information and mixed information online too. But anyway, it's a quiet, calm little place to come to if you come to Carter Caves and want to wet a line. So catch you next time. Like, subscribe, agamecl.square.site for our products. We're on Facebook, Instagram. We'll check you out later.